This is a simple brake job for a Toyota Camry. The front pads we're changing here. First thing, you secure the car. You remove the front tire. And you put the front tire under the car for safety, just in case if the car slips, it has something to rest on. Then you remove the caliper by removing the bottom bolt. It's a 14mm size. And you flip it upward. You do not have to take the other bolt, only one. And you remove the springs. You don't want to lose those springs. The new set does not come with those springs. Prepare the caliper by cleaning it and the brake components with a brake cleaner. Compress the caliper back. Use one of the old pads to compress it with this tool. You can use a C-clamp or a big plier. I find this tool very handy and it's inexpensive. Prepare the new pads. These are Duralast Gold Ceramic from AutoZone, and they have a lifetime warranty. Every time they wear out, they'll give you a new set for free. Don't forget to install the new hardware, the pad's wear indicator, that's important. Remove the old hardware from the brake. You can clean underneath if it needs to, and replace with the new hardware. Use a good quality synthetic brake lube or grease. You lubricate the contact edges of the brake pads and the back side of the brake pad. Install the pads back in place, and don't forget to install the springs. You slide the caliper down and reinstall the bolt. The spec says between 14 and 20 foot-pounds. Just make sure it's nice, tight and snug. I use a torque wrench here to tighten the wheel lug nuts. That's important. The specs says 76 foot-pounds for this car. And this is important because it prevents pulsing during braking. And the second reason is to make it a lot easier on you if you need to take the wheel when you're away from your garage or you don't have the proper tool. You do that for all 5 lug nuts. Finally, you inspect the brake fluid level and take the car for a test drive.